Looking for the best CPU with integrated graphics so you can skip the graphics card and still get solid performance? Today, we're ranking 5 popular options from weakest to absolute best so you know exactly which one fits your build. We're starting off our list with the Intel Core i5-12600K, which lands in 5th place in this lineup. Now, don't get me wrong, this is not a weak processor overall. In fact, for pure CPU performance, it's very capable. But since this video focuses on processors with integrated graphics, we have to judge it not just on raw computing power, but also what it can do without a dedicated graphics card. With 10 cores and 16 threads, it handles gaming, multitasking, and everyday productivity really well. If you're editing videos, running multiple apps, or doing like creative work, it feels smooth and responsive. The built-in UHD graphics 770 can easily power multiple monitors, stream high-resolution video, and handle basic visual tasks without breaking a sweat. But here's the catch. Compared to the AMD chips on this list, its integrated graphics simply aren't as strong for gaming. If you're hoping to play modern titles at comfortable settings without a graphics card, this one falls behind. It also runs at a higher power level than the 65-watt options we'll talk about later, which means more heat and potentially a beefier cooling setup. This is a good pick for someone who plans to add a dedicated graphics card later and just needs solid display output for now. If that sounds like you, this chip makes sense. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. Now, let's step things up. Coming in at 4th place, we have the Intel Core i7-12700K. Think of this as a stronger, more muscular version of the previous processor. More cores, more threads, and more overall performance across the board. With 12 cores and 20 threads, this chip feels noticeably more powerful in heavy multitasking and demanding workloads. If you're streaming, editing, or running multiple demanding programs at once, it handles it all more comfortably than the i5. From a pure computing standpoint, it's clearly ahead. However, when it comes to integrated graphics, we're still dealing with the same UHD graphics 770. That means your gaming expectations should stay realistic. It's great for video playback, office work, and general use, but it's not built for serious gaming without a dedicated card. And just like the i5, it draws more power than the AMD G-series chips on this list. This one's ideal for users who want high CPU performance right now, but still need integrated graphics as a backup or temporary solution. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next comparison. Now, let's move into the AMD territory, where integrated graphics really start to shine. In 3rd place, we have the powerhouse of the Intel lineup here, the Intel Core i9-14900K. When it comes to raw processing strength, this chip is on another level compared to everything we've covered so far. With 24 cores and 32 threads, it absolutely flies through demanding tasks. Heavy editing, rendering, advanced multitasking, you name it. If performance were the only factor, this would dominate the list. It's designed for series users who push their systems hard. But once again, the integrated graphics are still the UHD 770, so while the CPU performance is dramatically higher, the graphics side doesn't make the same leap. For display output, video playback, and basic tasks, it's great. But for gaming without a dedicated card, it still trails behind the AMD G-series processors. This chip makes sense if you want extreme processing power and only need integrated graphics as a fallback. If your main focus is CPU strength and you might add a graphics card later, this is a beast. But if integrated graphics performance is your top priority, the next 2 options will interest you more. Now we're getting into the real integrated graphics contenders. In 2nd place, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one changes the conversation because its built-in graphics are noticeably stronger than what we've seen from the Intel chip so far. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's not as powerful in raw computing as the higher-end Intel processors, but it's still very capable for everyday tasks like content creation and moderate multitasking. Where it really stands out is in gaming without a dedicated graphics card. Its Radeon integrated graphics with 7 graphics cores deliver better performance for light gaming at reasonable settings. If you're building a budget system and want to actually play games without buying a separate graphics card, this processor gives you a much better experience than the UHD 770 options. The downside, CPU performance is lower than the i7 and especially the i9. So if your workflow depends heavily on multi-core performance, you may notice the difference. But for someone building a compact, affordable system focused on integrated graphics performance, this is a very balanced choice. And that brings us to our top pick. Taking the number 1 spot, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. This is the most complete package here if integrated graphics performance is your main goal. It combines 8 cores and 16 threads with stronger built-in Radeon graphics featuring 8 graphics cores. Compared to the 5600G, you're getting more computing power and slightly stronger graphics performance. And compared to all the Intel chips on this list, its integrated graphics clearly lead in gaming scenarios without a dedicated card. At just 65 watts base power, it's also more power efficient than the Intel K-series processors. That means less heat and potentially a quieter system. For small form factor builds, home systems, or budget gaming setups, this processor hits a sweet spot between CPU performance and integrated graphics strength. If you want the strongest integrated graphics performance in this lineup, while still keeping solid multi-core capability, this is the one to beat. If you're building without a graphics card, your choice really matters. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best hardware for your setup.